Well, a really marvellous thing is happening here in the studio right now. I can't say that I'm privileged to witness something like this every single day. It's really quite remarkable. So I have two guests in the studio. One of them is Ava Illingworth. Welcome, Ava. And the other one is Zach Marks. Thank you so much for coming. It's really great to see you. Now, Ava was 14 when she was at school and had a very severe allergic reaction. What were you reacting to?
So I have an allergy to peanuts.
Yeah.
But in what I ate, it had no traces or anything of peanuts. So we're not sure if I've developed another allergy.
Oh, I see. And can you explain what was happening to you? What was the very severe reaction showing like to everybody else, for example?
My throat felt like it was closing. I couldn't breathe, and my eyes were really itchy, and my tongue started swelling up, and it was blocking me from breathing.
Oh my gosh, okay, so it was very, very severe, and it so happened that that day you'd forgotten to bring your EpiPen to school.
No, we was at a dance show at a different school, and I had my EpiPen in my blazer.
Oh, where was your blazer?
I was wearing it at the time.
Oh, right.
But I was in such a state of panic that
you couldn't explain it.
I forgot about it. I forgot where it was.
Oh my
I thought
goodness.
it might have been in my bag, but had no clue where it was.
So you didn't know where it was, you didn't know you had it, you couldn't say you had it because you didn't remember that you had it.
Yeah.
So to all intents and purposes, you didn't have it. You're having this incredibly serious allergic reaction. We're going to bring Zach in just 1 minute. You're going to find out why this is a big deal, all right? So what happened?
So I remember, because I do my dance rehearsals at this school that we were performing at, that I saw the kit on the wall.
Okay, now we can see the kit. We can probably get this on camera. Zach, do you want to just make sure we can all see it? It's here. It's there. I don't know whether we've got the camera on it or... Yes, there you are. Turn it right round and maybe... OK, maybe give it to me and I'll hold it, then everybody can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Here it is. And this was on the wall and you had noticed it. Obviously, as someone with a severe nut allergy, this would kind of resonate you. You think, oh, God, OK, I've seen this. All right. So what was in it? We're going to get Zach to show us in a minute, but just let Ava tell the story first. What was in it?
There was 4 EpiPens. 2 of them are for over 12 years old, and 2 of them are for under 12 years old.
So you managed to make it clear to someone that they were there.
Yeah.
And was it your dance teacher who used it on you?
Yeah, it was.
And it saved your life?
Yeah.
All right, now let's bring in Zach, because it was only there because of him. So what's happening now is for the very first time, you're seeing somebody who saved your life.
Yeah.
How do you feel about seeing him?
It's honestly incredible. Like, I have no words to describe it.
It's actually incredibly emotional. I hope you can see, if you're listening, if you can hear, if you're watching, you can see this is a really big deal, because without this young man, this beautiful young lady wouldn't be here today. So, Zach, you do the most amazing thing. You are also allergic to peanuts, is that right?
Yeah, all nuts as well as peanuts.
Right.
And a couple legumes like peas and chickpeas.
And so obviously you have lived this story.
Yes.
And you weren't going to allow anybody, if you could possibly help it, to be in a situation where they were having a terrible allergic reaction, which might well kill them. Let's be honest about it. And if you could help, you were going to help, and you've actually dedicated your life and your business to doing that. So explain.
I grew up around the stories of, Natasha and Nan Laperouse and Karen Bechima and all these horrible incidences of allergy we heard on the news. And being someone with a severe nut allergy meant I always had to carry my adrenaline pens.
Yeah.
But, they run out of date so often, and they're pretty bulky. They're really easy to forget. Hell, I run an allergy company now and I still forget them.
Open the kit so we can see what's in it.
Of course, yeah. So essentially inside...
You just open it with this little key, yes. Yeah, people can see you. Yeah, you're on.
And then, so it's wall mounted in the school, maybe in the cafeteria or something. You take it out. Yeah. And inside are 4 adrenaline pens.
Oh my God, look at that.
So we have 2 of each dose to cater for all ages, as well as written instructions. And the idea is it's just like your defibrillator, but for allergies.
Which will be the one that saved Ava's life?
So that'd be the red 300 microgram.
That saved your life. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. And so tell me about how it's being rolled out across the country.
So we initially did a pilot. It was my university project back in 2020.
Gosh.
And then did a pilot phase in 2021 with 7 schools. And then we officially launched in February, and we're now in 160 schools across the UK, impacting 85,000 students.
And your company is called Kitt Medical. What is the aim?
to be in every single public place, every defibrillator's next door neighbour, and to basically create awareness and preparedness for allergy and anaphylaxis.
Okay, people listening who work in schools or institutions or big businesses, what would you like them to do? What do they need to do?
Go to our website, kittmedical.com.
So it's KITT medical.com, yeah.
And make an inquiry with us, and our team, myself, James, Johnny or Simon, will speak to that school, will work out what their current allergy system is like, and hopefully provide them with anaphylaxis kits.
Is there anything you'd like to say to Ava?
I'm just immensely grateful that the kit was there when it was there, in all honesty, and also that you are brave enough to tell the story. And it clearly hasn't shaken your confidence as well, because your mum told me you danced the day after.
Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. I had the dance show the next day. So.
Well, I'm absolutely thrilled to bits that you're here to tell the story, and that you're here because he's here.